Oh, what's the matter, fossil? Too senile to make a real hourglass?
You better show some respect. Check your behavior. No one's because that's all that way. Did you expect us to sit back and take your insolent praise and display? You got it twisted. I'm not the one you need to know attitude. Maybe you missed, but I'm the host. I will do nothing less than what I please. Woo! I'm the backbone of the beast. Matter to respect. Well, it's 'cause no one to respect this. So I do pretending. Until our overlord to escape the fight. You're long past trending. Sorry, baby, it's walking right. You lost your relevance. Oh, no wonder I'm so respectless. I could eat you all for breakfast. You and the bees are inane and uninformed. Smug wannabes who don't hear when they use it warm. Did I strike a nerve? 'Cause when I brought out the angel's head, couldn't help but observe that your wrinkled face was turning red. And what are you, a blind wall? That's what the guns you sell are for. Thanks to my being respectless. One thing I'm starting to suspect is, you know what angels had? Do you have a disclosure? I didn't need